Word from paper into this. Thank you for tuning in today. So let's get started on how to make a Mulan sword from a paper cutout. First, we're going to start with our supplies. We got some cardboard, electric tape, paper towel holder. And so first we're going to have a paper, cut it out, tape it together, line it up. I'll just link in the description. Then we're going to outline it. We're going to do 2 of each, but 3 of the sword blade to help give that extra thickness and support. So as you can see, I have it outlined here. Might be a little too light, but you can see the gray original cutouts that I used to do the outlines. Next, we're going to go in and cut them out. Bam, bam, here they are. Now we're going to put it together. It's pretty easy. Just mainly have to put the handles on there. You got to be a little bit delicate with it, because you could possibly rip it if you're too rough. There we go. And as you can see, we have our 3 blades, quote unquote, there. Next is the toilet paper holder. Going to cut that and put that around the handle portion so that it's a little bit more comfortable to hang on to. So just going to wrap that around the handle here. Next, we're going to use the pencil to put it through the hole to make sure to help keep it aligned and together so it's not flopping all over the place. Next, we're going to use our black electric tape to put it together. So as you can see, the details on the handle here has some black strapping around it. So you take a closer look there. So I decided to use black electric tape to help me with that. So pulled out some pieces. And then I went ahead and wrapped some around it to help keep it in place a little bit, so it's not all squirrely on me. There we go, wrapping it around. Use as much as you want. Easy to tear off, thank goodness. When you tear it off, you originally would do like 2 to 3 times the length of the handle, since it's doing a little bit of a braid moment if you're paying attention to the details. Or you can just go in there and just wrap it around how you choose. You do you, boo-boo. So I tried to do a little bit of the pattern as it was seen in the previous pictures I showed. And so as you can see, I had 2 strips, made a little X, try to alternating it. Didn't turn out quite completely on par as the original weaved one that it has as it's shown, but it's alright. So wrap it and we are done. So next we're going to work on some details. So here I'm going with the stapler to staple the handle portions together, to make sure they can stay together, because there was a little loosey-goosey on me while I was working on it. Also going to do the upper portion of the handle around the hole, because that is 2 pieces next to each other. Keep it aligned. I'm going to use a gray marker to go in and color it. So here you can see, it's all flippy-floppy there. So what I'm going to do is put some biter clips on them and put them together and help keep the alignment as I work on it. So for this, I used 4 binders. It also helped me to help prop it neatly for the next step. For the next step, I went in with my hot glue gun and went around the edges, around the sword blade portion. Took some time, realized I need to get a new glue gun also. Also went around the handle edges to help keep that together and aligned so it's not as uncomfortable and loosey-goosey when I go to use it later in my cosplay. And here we are, it's all together. As you can see, it's holding together. If you want, you can maybe file the edges, but for me, I didn't. Next, we're going to do some spray paint. And after spray painting the blade, here's our final product, and here's my Mulan cosplay. I'm so excited. Mulan is one of my favorite Disney princesses, so thank you for watching, and let me know if you get to make this. All right, like and subscribe. Thanks.